Faiha, oh my god, finally we get to talk again. When was the last time we had a proper chat? Was during it?
Haha, I think so. It feels like ages ago. How are you, Irina?
Alhamdulillah doing okay, just styling lately, waiting for university application result. How about you? How everything in Malaysia?
Alhamdulillah, all good. I've been focusing on preparing for university too. I saw your WhatsApp status. You're applying to a university, right?
Yep, I'm applying to University Pamulang. Fingers crossed, pray for me.
What? That's awesome. I thought you already got accepted.
Not yet, still in the process. I'm working on the document, writing my motivation letter, and getting ready for the entry test. Hey, what major are you going for?
International relations. I've been into it since, but now I'm really serious about pursuing.
International relation. That's the one where you study countries, the politics, right?
That's part of it. But it's much broader. We learn about diplomacy, policy, global conflicts, international organizations like UN and ASEAN, and issues like human rights, climate change, even the global economy.
Well, I thought it was just memory flex and country name.
No way. It's a super dynamic field. I love reading international news and seeing how countries can work together despite different interests.
Yeah, the world really is not that simple.
Exactly, and the world's becoming more interconnected. So countries influence each other much more than ever. That's why diplomacy matters a lot now.
So why did you choose President University? Don't public university have ER programs too?
They do. That President University has a full English environment. It's very international in vibe. The teaching style is active, lots of practical learning. I feel like it really prepares you for a global career.
So it help you strengthen your English too, yeah?
Yep. Communication is key in international relations, especially in English. So I've been practicing already.
How do you practice?
I read international articles daily, listen to podcasts. Sometimes I talk to myself in English and record it. They play in back to see what I can improve. I also have voice calls with friends who are aiming for international relations.
Wow, you're so jiggling. Now I feel kinda lazy. Haha.
Don't say that. I still make a lot of mistakes, but since I love the subjects, the learning process is actually fun.
That's what matter. How are you also preparing for the admission interview?
For sure, I've been practicing answers to common questions like why international relation and what are your plans after graduation?
So, what your answer to the future plans one?
I want to work at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, become a diplomat, but I'm also open to working at international organizations like UNICEF or ASEAN.
Whoa, that's such a cool dream. I really hope it comes true.
I mean, thank you, but but I'm being realistic too. if I end up working in a regional media or a multinational company, it's fine as long as I can contribute globally.
You sound like you sound like you have got such a clear direction. I'm still kinda lost on what major to pick.
It's totally okay. Everyone moves at their own pace. You can explore your interests. Eventually, you'll find something that clicks.
I guess you're right. Hearing you talk makes me want to start thinking seriously about my future too.
That's great. I used to talk to seniors, watch YouTube videos about different majors that helped me discover my passion.
By the way, is President University expensive?
Since it's a private university and full English, yeah, it's not cheap, but they offer scholarship. I am applying for one based on academic performance and achievements.
Oh, so even it's pricey, there are still chances as long as you are proactive.
Exactly, you just have to stay sharp and seek out opportunities.
You're like a walking TED Talk, seriously.
Stop it. I'm just sharing what I've been told, but I really love to converse like this.
Same here, it's like burst of fresh energy. I'm gonna start doing research on my interest too.
Let's do it together. I'll help you brainstorm majors.
For real, thank you so much. I like talking to people, observing them. I have been thinking about psychology or communication.
Oh, those two will totally fit you, but are amazing with diverse career plans you're trying to here.
Let's do research together this week, yeah. I'll help you prepare for interview too.
Yes, please. That sounds like a blast. Let's try it. Maybe the topic reviewer help with your major exploration.
Deal, but seriously, this talk really opened my eyes.
I'm so glad we got to chat like this. Super refreshing.
By the way, are you ready to move to Indonesia?
Finally, I getting there. I've been training myself to be more independent. Cooking, doing laundry, learning to adapt. I've been watching vlogs by other students living away from
Whose vlog?
some President Indonesian students, and others will talk about past life, Indonesian culture, stuff like that. Super fun to watch.
You are really preparing well. I'll teach you how to ride angkot, okay?
Please, I'm used to MRTs. Never taken an angkot, and I'm not fluent in local slang yet. But how you right?
Yep, I'll be your personal tour guide. We'll try all the food, ride Transjakarta, and you can sleep over at my place on weekend. Ready?
Totally ready. I'm gonna visit your place in lot. Just like reliving our childhood.
Hey, are you planning to live in a drum or fresh a place?
I'm planning to rent somewhere close to campus. Easier for early classes.
Okay, then we all go hang out, maybe even vlog together.
Totally, I've actually been thinking of starting a podcast or vlog about my experience moving from Malaysia to Indonesia.
Yes, I love that idea. It could be really helpful for other young people.
That's what I hope. I want to share stuff about culture shock, difference in education system, living on your own.
I can already image the content, not just informative but super inspiring too.
I mean, hopefully it's really useful, even if it's just started as a random chat like this.
Then understand random chats big idea often come from conversation like this.
So true. Thank you, Irna. You always support me. I'm already because of your environment and the fun too.
Always, anytime you need someone to talk to or practice your interview with, just video call me. By the way, what snack are you having, Faiha? That looks so good.
It's super simple. Malaysia style tarik with myself on the set milk tea.
Just regular sweet tea, and I'm mushing on some Retas pants. So, are you ready to smile on camera for our future vlog?
Honestly, I'm shy, but it sounds fun. Let me get styled up a bit before we film. I want to look decent at least.
Of course, we could plan each episode topic in advance. The first one could be about our motivation for choosing ER, our family story, and tips on applying for scholarship.
Totally, we could split it week by week. Like this week, we next live as Malaysia and Indonesia.
I love it, and we can do a Q&A segment for listener college question for Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube comments.
That's such a great idea. I'm already excited thinking about all the content.
Anyway, speaking of applying to ER, have you checked the requirement for resident university? Anything that made you nervous?
A few things were a bit overwhelming. The English trajectory, the combination letter from teachers, and a motivation essay in English was just an attitude test.
Oh, like a general psychometric test. How did you prep for that?
Downloaded some sample tests, worked on verbal logic and numeric reasoning. Sometimes I'm joined free online book clubs. They actually help a lot.
Nice. What about the interview? Any question that freak you out?
Yeah, like describe a situation when you face culture difference. Or how would you handle conflicting opinions in a negotiation? I practice answering with the STAR method.
Star? Alright, situation takes action result. I use that for my thesis defense on.
Exactly. So I try telling real stories. Like the time I joined an online discussion with friends from Japan and Australia, and had different takes on climate change policies.
Oh, give me an example.
Okay, so during the chat, my Japanese friends emphasize with my Aussies friend focus on perfect sectors. I acted as the mediator, explaining the need of collaboration. Then I proposed a package policy idea. It made the conversation more engaging.
That's brilliant. You saw your role, gave correct example. That's an amazing answer already.
I still get nervous if I imagine Imagine a real panel interview.
Let's practice. Imagine I'm the interview here. The question, Faiha, you mentioned medicine. Can you tell me what skill help you medicine effectively? Go on.
I'd say I use active listening, empathy, and culture awareness. I make sure each person feels heard, represent their points, and build on mutual interest. Should I speak slower?
That's great. Maybe add something like it help you build trust and lead to balance outcome. But overall, that's good. About local language, besides learning Bahasa Indonesia, are you planning to learn Jakarta saying low too?
Yeah, saying gue, lu banget is way different from Malaysia style. I'll need some adjusting.
You can join language clubs or just chat with native Betawi speaker. I can teach you too.
Really? Thanks. I love doing social experiment like that. Talking to warung owners, ordering nasi uduk in dialect, asking price like, berapa ini bang? Bisa kurang nggak ya, makes the experience deeper.
Actually, but don't be shocked if they start chatting with you about local gossip, right? After a question, prices, haha.
Ready to be called anak kota if I up my pressers.
No worries, your enthusiasm is inspiring. Now I feel like drafting our podcast outline right now.
Let's do it. Episode 1, International Relations 101, plus my motivation. Episode 2, Moving Aboard Malaysia, Girl in Indonesia. Episode 3, Living Independently, Cooking, Laundry, Extrovert, Introvert. Episode 4, Language and Culture, Betawi Experience. Episode 5, Playing and Interview Tips. Episode 6, Food Tour and Local Life. Episode 7, Scholarship and Budget Management. Dan episode 8, Future Plans and Career Vision.
Nice line up. We could also have mini segment, tip of the week, background music Q&A.
Love it. If I'm the host, will you be the guest for the first few? Or should we co-host?
Let's cue a host. Feels more like sister chatting, more fun and relatable. Speaking of family, I miss your mom. Remember how we used to cook together when you stay in Jakarta?
Yes. And your mom always made us food like sayur bayam, oxtail soup, cilok, remember?
Especially I can still taste that sweety and spicy sambal.
I haven't had anything like that in so long. When I'm back there on holidays, let's cook again.
Yes, vlog collab cooking with cousin with a Discord twist.
Love that. Malaysian food like laksa penang, roti canai, sambal tumis pariat with Indonesian staples, and nasi uduk, pecel, soto.
That be the highlight of our test of home episode.
Exactly. I even thought of adding a heritage story segment where we share family history, grandma's tales, our roots in Malaysia.
Wow, that's meaningful. Makes it so much more than just food.
And yes, poor kids will definitely relate.
So, Once you are accept, what campus or are you aiming for?
Definitely the International Relations Club. Maybe join model event, and I want to try student council to build leadership skills.
Awesome, especially if you can get an internship at an embassy or local go would look great on your resume.
Yes, I've emailed the Malaysian and Indonesian embassies. No replies yet, but fingers crossed.
Keep following up. If I hear anything from alumni, I'll connect you.
Thanks so much. Internship with a student could help veteran too.
For sure. How about class? Do you prefer interactive formats?
Yes, I learn best when I can enjoy discussions, panels, seminars, and live for truth.
Then, Presiden University, perfect. They often host international speakers.
That's what they mean. They also have semester abroad programs. I found one in the Netherlands for a short summer course.
You're so true with your planning proud of you.
Thank you for your support. I get nervous too, but having people like you behind me really keeps me inspired.
Okay, we have talked a lot, but I have not touched survival tips for living in Indonesia.
Right? I need to prepare myself for the humidity, pollution, transport system, and safety, like washing my stuff and staying alert.
We could make a whole segment survival guide for new student, dorm life, doping of top up, Kopai, shopping at traditional market.
Loved it. I want to learn how to cook local dishes, like from the market, bargaining, and all.
We should plan an episode where we do a full day shopping, cooking, and riding public transportation together.
Yes, the content stays fun and varied.
Wow, we have been talking for almost an hour. Time really flew.
I know, right? I felt like a bedroom chat, not a formal meeting.
It's like productive therapy, venting while planning the future.
Don't hang up yet. I've got one more thing to share, mindset stuff.
Oh, go ahead.
So, I read about growth versus fixes mindset. I used to get stuck because I was afraid to fail. But now, I'm learning to grow, embrace mistakes, and keep moving.
That's so powerful. Could be our podcast message. Embrace failure. Celebrate learning.
Exactly, I'm sharing it because I still fear rejection. But now, I accept failures as full.
That's vulnerable, yet empowering. People will connect with that.
I hope so. And just like this motivate me. Not just for me, but for you too, feeling the fire again.
Absolutely, I'm excited to explore uni option and build this podcast with you.
We're in this together, future changer makers.
We have got our 8 episode outline plus bonus inspiring segment.
Perfect. Next step, share Google document assignment defeated.
Let's go. I feel like working episode one script right now.
No, we schedule a follow-up call next week.
Yes, when's good. I'm free almost evening or weekends.
Weekend evening, I've listened all my talks. You prep interview questions. I dig into campus organization and internship.
Deal. 4 p.m. your time?
That's 3 p.m. Jakarta, right?
Yup. Look for Friday or Saturday at 3 p.m. Jakarta time. I'll be the truck interview. Hey.
Got it. I'll rehearse a fine.
Cool. I'll send the Zoom link in advance.
Thanks, Irna.
Anytime. Say motivation it comes harmless, okay?
You too. Good luck picking your major.
Deal. See you at the next call.
See you. Waving love you, Coinces.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye.